What's up, Hivemapper community, YouTube, Discord, all of the above, everybody out there that is interested in Hivemapper. This is going on my YouTube video for Andrew's Lock and Key. It's been a long time since I've uploaded, so hi everybody. I will have some more videos coming out soon. Let's switch the camera around here. My Mercedes Sprinter, we have a dash cam up here. We have a dash cam facing right side, front facing, right facing. Normally those are stored inside. I already have them outside. It's not morning time. It is afternoon, 5:30-ish, and it's not 129 degrees. It's probably closer to like 115. That's what it's registering in the van at the moment. Well, let's start the van up here. I have an Android radio. Give it a second to start. I have everything blacked out at the moment because it's very bright outside still, so this makes it a little darker for us to be able to do this video. Let me turn down the air conditioning a little bit. So how I start every morning is let my radio start up. This is new to me. I actually only started this the last hour or two. Most of the time I run it on two phones. I run it on an Android S22 and the Note version, the Ultra. And I also have a iPhone XR, I believe is one of my kids' old phones. But right now what I've been doing is running Android radio and not like Link Android. This is literally a full radio. It actually has its own internet, along with, right now I think I'm connected to my Wi-Fi of the house, but this has its own SIM card in it. We have Hivemapper dashcam on it. The Hivemapper app is built onto it, so this is a new video showing everybody that actually physically works. Right, yeah, I'm connected to my house right now. Let's connect to the dash cam that's on the front facing, so we'll get that notorious Android no internet connection. Yeah, no internet connection. So let's go back home. Let's go to the apps. Let's go back to Hivemapper. And the blue screen came on. We are fully connected. As you can see, it's in front of my house, my lock shop in the backyard, my stepson's Audi, and one of my other vans. So that's how I run mine, outward facing. Let's take a peek up on the roof here. My stuff is plugged in here, which runs all the way back down to a splitter that's connected to the back of my my stuff. But both the cameras run on top of the Mercedes. And that is how I run my camera, which is absolutely a great way to do it, in my opinion. So get outside facing cameras, you get an amazing picture that's on it. So I love it. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want any more. As you can tell, a little quick update. I just ran this for about 25 minutes or so. It was uploading from the house. It's uploaded to the storage of the radio at the moment. So let's switch over to settings. Up here in the top, you guys know that that's, whoops, mobile uploads. Kind of hard to hit it on the radio next to the back button. There we go. Just turned it on. Let's go back to the camera, and it is showing it mobile uploading at the moment. Dash cam just connected, so now it's going to hop over to the house because it thinks the house is going to be faster on uploading it. So that's what it's doing at the moment. Let's watch it go down from 1651. Come on, tick away. Tick, tick, tick. Well, you get the drift. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to do it. Oh, there we go. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Happy mapping to all my mappers out there. Anybody on the YouTube side that want more answers about Hivemapper, check out some other videos for some of the other guys out there. If you want more information, hop on Discord, find the Hivemapper community, go to hivemapper.com.